Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have Wish Wednesday here. So that means you wish for songs, and I will bring some of them up here on Gordon Guitar. So this time we have you, Just Nefarious. You wished for this song from Kina, I'm not sure about the pronunciation there, and Mishaal, the song called Tell Me About You. So this one is a beautiful song, pretty straightforward though. It's 4 chords and we will play them in the same order through the entire song. And I'm just gonna give you one strumming pattern. That is what you need for this song. So I hope you will enjoy this Just Nefarious. So let's start this one up. No need for any capo on this one. So we'll go over the chords now. So the first chord will be A minor. All right. So that is open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. The next chord will be F major 7. I will use this shorter version of it. So that is third on D, second on G, first B, and open E. Then we have C. So that is third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. And the final chord will be G. So that is third on E, second on A, open D, open G, and open B. Because we want this to be open there. Sometimes we have this third on B. This time it's open, and then we have the third E finally there. And there you have the 4 chords. A minor, F major 7, C, and G. Alright, so this one goes in a very slow pace there. It's a slow tempo song, so it will be sometimes just played like this. 1 down per chord. And sometimes we'll go into the strumming mode here, and that's what we're gonna look at right now. So start with this A minor chord. 1 strumming round will be like this: down up, clap, up, down, up. All right, so that is 1 round. So down, up, and comes this clap to get the rhythm, and then up, down, up. So alright, so you want to really emphasize the open E string here for the first 3 chords. That means A minor, F major, and the C. And for the G, if you can, especially when you do just 1 down, try to emphasize the open B. This one. And that's the reason for us to play in the G with the open B, because that is emphasized in the song, and you do that in the way that you just stop at that string as the last string you go when you do this downstroke. All right. So try to avoid the E string there on the G if you can. This is just details, but yeah, it gives you something to it to really get close to the original song there. So otherwise, you go for 1 strumming round per chord, and you do that round and round from the beginning till the end. So like this. So yeah, that pretty much covers Tell Me About You. So I hope you, Just Nefarious, enjoyed this, and all you fans. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I think I'm gonna end with some strumming of this beautiful song. So till next time, guys, play tuned.